Everyone, this video is on exercise 14D question 7 and 8. So in question 7, we want to find the values of the following logs. Now, both questions are about special cases of log. So in the first question, we want to find log base 2 of 2, then log base 3 of 3, and log base 17 of 17. Now, whenever we have both base and the actual number that are equal, or in that case, the answer is simply equal to 1. Because what's going on here is that, so for all of this, we get 1. Now, that's actually the answer to part B, because, so in part B says, explain why log base A of A has the same value for all positive values of A. And that same value is 1, by the way. So the reason is, let's say, log base A of A is equal to x, right? So we can rewrite this as a to the power of x is equal to 1. And now if you think about this logically, the only possibility of a number being raised to a power and just stay the same without any change is just when x is equal to 1, right? So when the power is equal to 1, because whenever the power is equal to 1, the base doesn't change. So this is like a very sort of short proof, so therefore we can say that log base A of A is equal to 1. Now the next question is very similar, but for another specific case. So in this case, we want to find log base 2 of 1, then log base 3 of 1, and finally log base 17 on 1. So this time the difference is that here the main number that we have is equal to 1. Now in this case, actually the answer is equal to 0 for all of them. So that comes from the fact that, again, that's the answer to part B, because part B says that explain why log A base A of 1 has the same value for all positive values of A. So again, let's just use the same technique. So let's say that we have log base A of 1 is equal to x, right? So in this case, we can rewrite this as a to the power of x is equal to 1. And now the only possibility of a number being raised to another number and just then becomes 1 is that, also let's just mention that a is not 1. So that's very important. So then in that case, x must be 0, because that's the only possibility where a is not equal to 1. So therefore, log A base A of 1 is always equal to 0. So that's very important, because that's just a fact that essentially if you have log 1 with any base, then that's just equal to 0. That's very important. And another special case was this, that when the number and the base are equal, in that case you'll always get 1.